Hey everyone, today we're showing you 4 healthy smoothie recipes to bring you one step closer to getting your summer body. For smoothies in general, it's a good idea to have a mix of fresh fruit and frozen fruit for the texture. Over here we just have frozen avocados, mangoes, blueberries, strawberries, kiwis, and bananas. So for the first smoothie you'll need half cups of frozen blueberries, grapes, blackberries, and yogurt of your choice. Over here we used Greek yogurt, so just add all your ingredients to a blender and blend away. For the next smoothie, you'll need half cups of frozen avocados, green grapes, frozen kiwi, and yogurt of your choice. And just like before, add all the ingredients to a blender and blend away. As for the third smoothie, you'll need half cups of raspberries, frozen strawberries, apples, and yogurt. And last but not least, for the yellow smoothie, and my personal favorite, you'll need half cups of bananas, frozen mangoes, peeled apples, and yogurt. And that's it. So 4 delicious smoothies to keep up your health game and also satisfy those sugar cravings. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!